Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 2 hidden Android settings that every Android user should check. These settings can help you take more control of your privacy by limiting how your voice activity is stored and how websites access your microphone. The best part is that both settings take less than a minute to change. Stay until the end because I will show you both settings step by step. Let's get started. Method 1. Stop Google from saving your voice activity. First, open the Google app. Make sure it's the Google app, not Google Chrome. Tap your profile picture. Select Manage your Google account. Open the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you find Web and App Activity. Tap it. Scroll down again until you see the activity options. Look for Include Voice and Audio Activity. When this option is enabled, Google may save voice recordings from certain interactions with Google services to improve speech recognition and other features. If you don't want future voice recordings saved to your Google account, simply turn this option off and tap Stop Saving when asked. Google may tell you that some voice features will become less personalized. If you're comfortable with that, tap Confirm. That's it. Your phone will still work normally for calls, voice messages, and voice searches. The only difference is that Google will stop saving new voice and audio activity through this setting. Now let's move to the second setting. Method 2. Stop websites from using your microphone. Open Google Chrome. Tap the 3 dots and go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Site Settings. Tap Microphone. If websites are allowed to use your microphone, turn this option off. From now on, websites won't be able to access your microphone automatically. If you visit a trusted website such as Google Meet, WhatsApp Web, or another service that genuinely needs microphone access, Chrome will ask you for your permission first. This gives you complete control over which websites can use your microphone and helps protect your privacy from unknown or suspicious sites. These are 2 simple settings, but they can make a big difference for your privacy. Thanks for watching.